This entire area 3 weeks ago looked like this. So therefore, I want to know why anyone viewing this can't farm their yard. It's not a big garden. It's 250 square feet. It's not big at all, but it will grow an awful lot of food. Let me turn it around. Let's see if I can turn it around. Yes, I can. Look, here we go. Just a lot of food, a lot of seeds. Using things that are in my waste stream. Always music behind me. I love to dance when I farm. All my flower babies. Smudging is a part of my ritual. Yes, indeed it is. Learn new skills while the whole world is on a pause. 3 weeks ago, this was all grass. And if you need help, I'll help you. And I promise you'll be successful. All right, kiddos, have a great day. I'll catch you on the flip side. And until then, grow healthy, people.